Sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com. Can QB Kevin Jennings bring SMU offense consistency Rhett Lashlee is seeking? In the next stretch of the season, Rhett Lashlee is looking for one thing from his offense: consistency. Through his team's first 3 games, it's an attribute that's been lacking on the offensive side of the ball. To find consistency, a decision had to be made. On Tuesday during SMU's bye week, Lashlee announced that Kevin Jennings would take over as the team's starting quarterback and replace Preston Stone, who started SMU's first 3 games after earning the starting job last season. Sports Roundup. Get the latest DFW sports news, analysis, scores and more. Sign up. Or with Google, Facebook. By signing up you agree to our terms of service and privacy policy. It was not an easy decision in terms of the fact that Preston's a winner, Lashlee said. He loves this place. He's given a lot to this program. It is not all about Preston. It's just this gives our team the best chance moving forward right now. The quarterback situation has been polarizing for SMU fans through the early stretch of this season. While Stone earned the starting job during fall camp, Lashlee consistently said he intended to play both quarterbacks and that both give the Mustangs a chance to win in the ACC. Advertisement. But through 3 games, it became clear that while both individually give SMU a chance to win, using them together didn't make the offense more effective. In the season opener against Nevada, the 2 quarterbacks traded off early in the game before Stone got the keys to the offense down the stretch of the comeback win. Against Houston Christian, the weakest opponent SMU will face all year, they split the snaps evenly. And against BYU last week, Jennings took over after each quarterback got 3 drives. He played the entire second half. SMU's offense lacked an identity in all 3 matchups and required multiple drives to settle in, as it rotated between the 2 quarterbacks. By sticking with one, that process should be expedited. Advertisement. It allows us to build the identity we need to have on offense, Lashlee said. We've always had an identity on offense. It's been kind of hard these first 3 games, and that's not on the kids. That's my job to get that done. Advertisement. The decision to stick with Jennings comes after a strong start to the year for the sophomore from South Oak Cliff. In the first 2 games of the year where his playing time was limited, he led SMU to 5 touchdowns on 7 drives. Against BYU, the Mustangs only scored points when he was in the game. After filling in for Stone when he got injured at the end of last season, Jennings earned his first career starts in the AAC Championship win and Fenway Bowl. But his confidence has only grown. He may be inexperienced, but after leading South Oak Cliff to a state championship in his senior season and being voted a captain this year by his team, he's a proven leader.